If you're a crazy dog mom like me, then you are definitely making your pup this Thanksgiving dinner for dogs. Start by adding a 2-pound turkey breast to a baking dish and brush the top with coconut oil. This is optional, but it makes it much more tasty for your dog. Bake at 400 degrees covered for 30 minutes, then remove the cover and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. While the turkey is baking, peel a sweet potato. It's important to peel potatoes because the skin can upset your dog's stomach. Slice into medallions and then add into a 3-quart pot that is 3/4 full with water and bring to a boil. Continue to boil the potatoes until they are soft when poked with a fork. Make sure to drain the potatoes once they're cooked. Sweet potatoes are a healthy carb for dogs that have fiber, vitamin A, C, and more. Chop the ends off the green beans and add to a small pot that's 3/4 full with water. Bring to a boil and cook for about 10 minutes or until the green beans are done, then remove from the water. Green beans have antioxidants, iron, minerals, and more for your pup. Chop up the turkey, sweet potatoes, and green beans in small pieces depending on what size dog you have. Then chop 1 apple. John loves the sweet varieties like Fuji or Pink Lady. You'll probably be paid a visit around this time as your dog will smell the deliciousness coming from the kitchen. If you are unsure how much homemade dog food to give your dog, click the link in the description for our easy homemade dog food calculator. Add the turkey, sweet potato, green beans, and apples to your dog's bowl. You can also add a little bit of pumpkin puree here as well. John gets his daily pumpkin in his pumpkin granola, so we skip this here for him. But pumpkin is a superfood for your dog that's so healthy to give to them every day. If you want more easy homemade dog food recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.